Alright, let's see what Dopetail has in store for me today. Okay, interesting. Let's see. Today you'll be working on a film set for an upcoming action movie. Take this train up to the set and await instructions from the director. So we're making Unstoppable Part 2 now. Yeah, I'm gonna be in Unstoppable in Train Sim. So they called me instead of Denzel Washington. You should have called Denzel. Y'all made a mistake. Should have called Denzel, because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm in LA, so we're in California. We operated trains in California when we did the Cajun Pass, when we did the Cajun Pass subdivision. In San Bernardino, we did the Cajun Pass. Or Cajun Pass. And I had to do the slip and slide. I was like, alright, let's see what Dovetail got in store for me. Oh, they want me to be in Unstoppable Part 2. Got it. Yeah, if you pass the signal at danger, the game makes you everything go. For this scene, the train has to keep up with the stunt car. Keep your speed high and pass each marker at the same time as the car. Get moving once the director gives the go-ahead. Wait for the director. Alright. So you gotta just race this speed car. Roll camera. Everybody get in your positions. Alright, is everybody ready? Action. Like, use my imagination.
And action.
Oh, I actually heard the director say something. Like, what is this supposed to be? You said I had to go fast, so I'm gonna go that. I'm gonna do that. I have no idea how to play this game, and I gotta be a stunt double in a train. For real, what did they call Denzel? I don't see what the heck I'm supposed to be racing or being faster than. Oh, I see it now. That car over there, I guess I gotta be faster than him. I'm in the train, I'll catch up to him. The game keeps freezing, that's the problem. I'm playing on PS5. Wait. She'll be able to catch up to him if I'm in a train. You weren't in time. Cut, you weren't in time and the stunt car will have to start again. I just queued the GTA 5 mission fail sound. Alright, so I decided to pick it up at when I have to start the action-packed adventure part of the mission, so. Yeah, there's the stunt car. We gotta keep up with whoever's in that car there. There's the stunt car. So we gotta stay up with the stunt car. Alright, he's speeding up, so we gotta speed up. Remember, we gotta keep up with the stunt car. We can't let the stunt car get too far ahead. The director said I gotta be fast and furious, so throttle up so we won't fall too far behind from the stunt car. Cause we gotta catch up with him. Yep, we gotta. Okay, we're caught up to him. Says I gotta pass him, so he'll catch up. Let's let him get past me. I'm gonna let him get past me just a little bit, just in case. Let him get a little bit past me. I wish when I fail a scenario, they just make me repeat that scenario, or that, like, put me where I failed. So they could put me by the second go via. We gotta let him catch up, because just in case I can't be too far ahead of him, so. Now they got a helicopter filming me. Yeah, we're making the unstoppable, I know it. They couldn't outright say it because of copyright, probably. Alright, there's a stunt car. Now we'll speed back up, because remember they said we can't let him get...
Alright, cut.
Head back to the starting point for another run. Perfect run. The director's pleased and ready to film the scene. So that was just a practice run? So I want to get into acting. I got a lot to learn. I guess this was a good practice. What? Where in the blazes was that signal that I passed that danger? I wonder, was I on the wrong line or something? I didn't pass the signal yet. Keep up with the stunt car past the markers. The director will begin to count down. I'm so nervous. I'll wait for the director to count down and then start my engine. Damn it. Wasn't ready. It's a passenger train, so it shouldn't be too hard. So the first thing we did was practice. Now we're doing it for real. Just to get some speed so we can be online with that car. Yeah, I'll be a little inches past him just to be safe. You know what I'm saying? I think that's a film crew in that RV thing. And we gotta make sure that we don't fall behind. So, gotta wait for a train to be. Yeah, I can hear the music. I guess this is serious. It was like an explosion. We're filming the Unstoppable. That it looks like. Let me speed up, because it looks like the stunt car is keeping up. I mean, he's catching up. Let's speed up. Where is he going? As long as I'm not too far behind him, I think it's okay. Look at the music I get. This is my time to shine. And cut. Nice driving out there. Let's see how you did.